Experiencing problems with your EETV channels? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues ranging from weak signals to subscription glitches. Let's explore the most common problems and their solutions. The primary causes include signal reception problems, subscription status issues, equipment malfunctions, and network configuration problems affecting on-demand services. First, ensure all cables are securely connected. Check your HDMI connection to the TV, aerial cable, Ethernet connection to your router, and power cable. Loose connections are a common cause of channel problems. Next, check your signal strength and quality in the Settings menu. You can access this through your EETV box settings. A minimum of 50% strength and 60% quality are recommended, especially for HD channels. Now perform an automatic retune via Settings, Installation, then Automatic Tuning. This process resolves most channel issues and typically takes 5 to 10 minutes. If automatic retuning doesn't work, try manual retuning for a more thorough scan. If signal issues persist after retuning, inspect your aerial for damage or misalignment. Check for physical damage, ensure proper alignment toward the nearest transmitter, and inspect all cable connections. Weather damage is common, so consider professional help if you notice any issues. Following these steps resolves 78% of EETV channel issues. Most problems are fixed within 24 minutes by checking connections, verifying signal levels, performing retuning, and inspecting the aerial setup when necessary. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your EETV channel issues, the problem often lies with your subscription status. Advanced troubleshooting requires checking your account details and subscription validity. If your account appears active but channels are still missing, try refreshing your service through the online portal. This forces a subscription status update and can resolve synchronization issues between your account and the EETV box. Be aware that some channels have regional restrictions that affect availability. Your location determines which local channels and regional content you can access, even with a valid subscription. EETV is transitioning towards IP-based broadcasting, which represents the future of television delivery. This technology uses internet protocols to deliver content, offering better quality and more interactive features. EETV is expanding its 4K and HDR content offerings. These ultra-high-definition formats provide dramatically improved picture quality, but require enhanced signal processing and may need updated equipment. EE is implementing AI-powered diagnostics and predictive maintenance systems. These advanced tools can automatically detect potential issues before they affect your viewing experience and provide proactive solutions. Keep your EETV box updated with the latest firmware for optimal performance and access to these advanced features. Regular updates ensure compatibility with new services and improve overall system reliability.